Hey everyone, welcome back to Unscripted Coding. Today I'm going to dip my toes right back into the arts sphere of things, and so I'm going to be trying to draw and sketch a little bit. As you know, if you've watched my other videos, full disclaimers, I stink at art. So if you want to see me actually do something productive, you probably want to see the next video linked or something else. But I thought I'd just play around, see where we get. On the screen right now is I think promo picture, it should be a screen capture from the new Netflix series Arcane. And I can't get over that kind of look of a grungy undercity, typically quite dark with a couple splashes of light and color. So that's where I'm starting from. I want to see how I can create something that looks like this. I have Google Images pulled up so that I can see a couple more examples. You can see these cities up here, fantasy cities, probably aren't what I'm looking for, but something like this image looks really good. This one is very similar, but I'm looking for that dark city with splashes of color. I have a couple other similar search terms. Japan neon. As you know, Japan has a ton of neon signs, and at night it just lights up like a Christmas tree. So these kind of look. I think this one is a bit too bright, but I'm looking for something darker. And this palette is a little more purpley, so probably not quite the same, but it's just more inspiration if you're trying to create something unique. And I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Cyberpunk also probably closer. You have this really dark type of city. These are obviously skyscrapers, so a lot taller, a lot different. But where I'm going with this is I'm hoping to have something that looks like this and then a bunch of fireworks at the top. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to get this out by New Year's as kind of a New Year's special episode. I'm doing this way at the start of December because I figure this is going to take a couple of shots. This is going to take multiple sessions, and it probably still isn't going to look great. So now you know where I'm coming from. Hopefully you can skip straight to the end and you'll see how it looks before watching me go through a really, really, really bad speed paint. And I can't even say speed paint. Very slow paint. Okay, so let's get started. So, I think I'm done what I set out to. I am running against the clock, but I'm gonna add a bit more details over the next couple of days before New Year's to try and make it pop a little bit more. But you can see the city here is based on this whole arcane, greenish, cyberpunk sort of city. There's a bit of this Japanese neon. That's why we have these kind of bright colors, neon colors in here. You can see the whole bottom section here hasn't been populated. It needs more light. It needs more detail. Start building out what I think is a pier in a sea of water. This will just take time, and I didn't want to delay. I wanted to make sure this is all set. But if we just move the image up to where I did have some time to put, windows and lights, I think that looks pretty awesome. The fireworks turned out really, really great. I love how these big fireworks displays look, and it's all about populating more detail. So certainly the city, if I go to the bottom here, I need more details over here and here and here. The lines help, but it just looks sloppy when you look at it very detailed. From far away, it looks decent, I think. Same with the fireworks. Really good fireworks. They just stack on top of each other, and I was thinking of making duplicates of these, sizing them in different ways, and just spraying it all over. But just wanted a clean image here so that you guys can take a look. I think it's looking pretty good for a guy who has no clue what he's doing. So how do I hide this? I guess I can't. But if we hide the bottom and we just have a bit of fireworks here, I think it really pops and it looks pretty cool. But I hope you enjoyed that. Just a bit of artsy, more drawing design type of thing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I had a ton of fun. If you enjoyed these videos, do let me know in the comments below. If not, we're gonna go straight back to coding next week and the week after. This video is coming out where I am New Year's Eve. If it's ticked over the midnight clock countdown for you guys, Happy New Year's. If not, please enjoy your New Year's Eve. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great holiday.